Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, January 5th, 2001, 8 am. The current foundations of psychoanalysis are nice theories, some of which are close to the truth, whereas others are completely erroneous. The secret mechanisms of the human being remain yet to be proved. At the end of the century, critical discoveries will be made which will put an end to the current approach to this phenomena, which does not take account of a crucial fact, that is, the inheritance resulting from former lives. This principle makes easier elements that are hitherto beyond the understanding of the specialists in these subjects. Everything is part and parcel of an evolutionary process which has applied in the past and will apply in the future. It has nothing to do with the codification prevailing nowadays. This reality of the human being is even more disregarded and ignored than in other fields of medicine, where all the current major convictions are to be reconsidered. In a century, they will be seen to have been as absurd as those of a distant past. Scientists have too much certitude, which is what hinders their progress. The discovery of man goes hand in hand with the evolution of earthmen. There too, they must progress step by step and know themselves before claiming to know others. One day, all the truth about the complexity of human functioning will be brought to light. Men must yet grow up beforehand. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. With regard to his successor, my son must wait again till our projects materialize. He should not be impatient, even though he is not any more, as he says, the lion of days gone by. For the time being, only he is capable of managing the situation. His experience and shrewdness cannot solve everything. Who could do so? Man's stupidity is limitless. We act for the best of the mission's interests. He should be at peace. We will shortly speak to him. Your desire to satisfy him is commendable, my daughter, but we do not solve problems according to appearances and laws governing this world. All these mechanisms are of great complexity. Nothing related to human behavior is simple. This year will be beneficial to the mission. It will be the period when structures will be established which will be decisive for the future. My son's hopes will certainly be fulfilled, even though while on this earth he cannot really imagine what enlightenment our way will provide to men of coming times. He will have been the master who, thanks to his grand contribution, will have laid the most significant foundation stones of the edifice. Babuji.